Hello and welcome to the online class of Mathematics Standard 10. Today we are going to discuss about the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence. Let's consider an arithmetic sequence with first term f and common difference d. We can write x1 equal to f. What is the second term then? x2 is equal to first term plus common difference. x2 is equal to f plus d. Then x3 is equal to f plus 2d. x4 is equal to f plus 3d. x5 is equal to f plus 4d. x6 equal to f plus 5d, and so on. Then what is x10? x10 will be first term plus 9 times common difference. What about x50? It is first term plus 49d. In general, we can write xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 times d. So removing the bracket, we get f plus dn minus d. Rearranging the terms, we have xn equal to dn plus f minus d. The nth term or the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence is dn plus f minus d. In general, we can say the algebraic expression is of the form an plus b, where a is equal to d or the common difference, and b is equal to f minus d. And what about a plus b? A plus b will be a is d, b is f minus d. That is d plus f minus d. Adding, we get f. That means the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence is of the form an plus b, where a is the common difference and a plus b is the first term. In other words, any expression of the form an plus b represents an arithmetic sequence. Now we can find the algebraic expressions of some arithmetic sequences. First one, 5, 8, 11, 14, etc. Here the first term is 5 and the common difference d is 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So we have the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence xn is equal to dn plus f minus d. We can substitute for d and f here, substituting 3n plus 5 minus 3, that is equal to 3n plus 2. Now the next sequence, 15, 11, 7, 3, etc. The first term is 15, common difference is 11 minus 15, second term minus first term, that is negative 4. Now write the expression for the nth term, xn equal to dn plus f minus d. Substitute for d and f. D is negative 4, that is negative 4n plus first term 15 minus again minus 4, that is equal to minus 4n plus 15 plus 4, that is equal to minus 4n plus 19. Now the next sequence, minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18, and so on. Write the first term, f equal to negative 3. Common difference is second term minus first term, that is minus 8 minus the first term negative 3, that is equal to minus 8 plus 3. Adding, we get minus 5. So minus 5 is the common difference here. We have xn equal to dn plus f minus d. Substituting for d and f, we have minus 5n plus minus 3 minus minus 5. That is equal to minus 5n plus minus 3 plus 5. Simplifying, minus 5n plus 2. The nth terms of some arithmetic sequences are given. Write the sequences. The first algebraic expression, 2n plus 3. We know that the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence is of the form an plus b, where a, which is the coefficient of n, is the common difference, and the sum of the coefficients a plus b will be the first term. So here, which is the coefficient of n? That is 2. Therefore, the common difference is 2, and the sum of the coefficients 2 plus 3 equal to 5 will be the first term. The sequence starts with 5 and proceeds with the addition of 2 repeatedly. Therefore, the sequence is 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Now the next one, 5n minus 3. What is the coefficient of n here, or the number with which n is multiplied? That is 5. Therefore, the common difference is 5. First term is a plus b, or the sum of the coefficients. The coefficients are 5 and minus 3. The sum is 5 plus minus 3, that is equal to 2. So the first term is 2 and the common difference is 5. You can write the sequence like this: 2, 7, 12, 17, etc. The next expression, minus 4n plus 3. Here a is the coefficient of n, that is minus 4, that is the common difference. The first term is minus 4 plus 3, that is equal to minus 1. First term minus 1, common difference minus 4. The sequence is minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 5. Again adding minus 4, we get minus 9, minus 13, and so on. The next nth term, 2 plus 3n. Here the term with n is the second term, and what is the coefficient of n here? Coefficient of n is 3. Therefore, the common difference is 3. First term a plus b, or the sum of the coefficients. The coefficients are 2 and 3. Therefore, first term is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The sequence is 5, 8, 11, etc. Next nth term, 2 minus 3n. Here the coefficient of n is negative 3. Therefore, the common difference is negative 3. First term, the sum of the coefficients, or a plus b. 2 plus negative 3, that is equal to negative 1. The first term negative 1 and common difference negative 3. The sequence starts with negative 1 and proceeds with the addition of negative 3 repeatedly. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 7, minus 10, etc. Next sequence, n minus 3. Here, what is the coefficient of n? The number with which n is multiplied is 1, and therefore the common difference is 1. First term 1 plus negative 3, that is equal to negative 2. So sequence starts with negative 2 and the next number will be negative 1, 0, 1, and so on. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.